When you're carving through narrow gaps at full throttle or capturing buttery-smooth 4K 30-60-degree footage at 60 frames per second, your memory card isn't just storage, it's the backbone of your entire creative workflow. Here are the 3 best SD cards that can genuinely keep up with the DJI Avata 360, no compromises.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Kingston Canvas Go Plus SD card. The Kingston Canvas Go Plus is the kind of SD card that just gets the job done and keeps getting it done, flight after flight, season after season. With speeds of up to 200 megabits per second, you can quickly capture, edit, and share content without any delays. Featuring U3 and V30 speed ratings, it ensures smooth and uninterrupted 4K video recording for reliable performance. What really earns this card its place on the list is its rugged resilience. It's waterproof, temperature-proof, shock-proof, and X-ray proof, making it a natural companion for outdoor aerial work where conditions are never guaranteed. Whether you're flying in the desert heat, on a misty mountain ridge, or straight into a coastal breeze, the Canvas Go Plus keeps your footage safe. It's the dependable workhorse of SD cards. Not the flashiest name in the room, but absolutely one of the most trustworthy. For pilots who want peace of mind alongside performance, this is the card to reach for. On number 2, we have Lexar Silver Plus SD. Card Lexar has been a trusted name in the memory card world for decades, and the Silver Plus is a shining example of why that reputation has stuck around. Built to handle continuous video recording at high data rates, this card brings read speeds of up to 205 megabits per second to the table, a number that matters the moment you start pushing the Avata 360 to record in its highest quality modes. The Silver Plus holds a V30 speed class rating, meaning it guarantees a minimum sustained write speed of 30 megabytes per second, which is the sweet spot for smooth, uninterrupted 4K drone footage. What separates the Lexar Silver Plus from the crowd is its consistency. It doesn't throttle under pressure, and it handles long recording sessions without breaking a sweat. The card also transfers files to your editing machine at a pace that won't leave you watching a loading bar for 20 minutes. If you're a content creator who values both field reliability and a fast post-production workflow, the Lexar Silver Plus fits into your kit like it was made for it. On number 3, we have Samsung Evo Plus SD card. When it comes to name recognition, value, and flat-out performance, the Samsung Evo Plus is arguably the most well-rounded SD card you can buy for the DJI Avata 360 right now. Samsung's proprietary 3-bit MLC NAND technology delivers read speeds up to 160 megabits per second and write speeds up to 120 megabits per second, making it one of the faster options in its price bracket. The Evo Plus is a card that refuses to flinch. It's been tested against water, magnets, X-rays, temperature extremes, and physical wear, and it comes out the other side unfazed. For drone pilots who are equally obsessed with the in-flight experience and the editing table, the Evo Plus is a dream. It records cleanly in the air and transfers footage quickly on the ground. Available in capacities from 64 gigabytes all the way up to 512 gigabytes, it gives you the flexibility to choose how long you want to fly without swapping cards. If you want one card that handles everything the Avata 360 throws at it, without asking you to spend a fortune, the Samsung Evo Plus is the answer. So these are some of the best SD cards to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.